April 15th is not the day that typical Americans look forward to. It's the day that Uncle Sam comes to collect. That's right, it's tax day. And thanks to Speaker Pelosi and President Biden's quote-unquote Inflation Reduction Act, tax day is even worse. This year it's more taxes, more IRS agents, more bureaucracy, all sponsored by Joe Biden.
No one making under $400,000 will see their federal taxes go up, period.
No surprise, but that is a lie. His plan means more taxes for millions of families. Instead of reducing inflation, he increased taxes on people in every income bracket. Joe Biden is going to squeeze an extra $20 billion from folks who make less than $400,000 a year.
There's an IRS agent coming to a neighborhood near you.
And it's not just more taxes. It's more IRS agents. In the House of Representatives, the first thing that we did was work to repeal his 87,000 new IRS workers. But that's the difference between Republicans and Democrats.
The yeas are 221 and the nays are 210. The bill is passed. Without objection, a motion to reconsider is laid on the table.
All the Republicans voted to do that. All the Democrats voted against it. And of course, the Democrats in the Senate and the Democrat in the White House, they won't take that bill up in order to bring it over the finish line. That is the difference. The so-called Inflation Reduction Act empowered the IRS. It didn't empower the American people. This piece of legislation was meant to add 87,000 more IRS agents, not to get you a quicker refund, but to get the money out of your pocket quicker. Let's put that into perspective. When President Biden took office, the IRS had 78,661 employees. Joe Biden wants to more than double that number in one fell swoop.
There will be more audits, and the IRS has targeted and told us for years their plans are to audit more small businesses, self-employed people, independent contractors.
It's more taxes, more agents, and more bureaucracy. The IRS also received a whopping amount, $80 billion. According to the breakdown of the budget the IRS released, for every dollar it spends on improving taxpayer services, things like helping you get your refunds faster or information technology resources, it will spend $14 on increased enforcement. The Biden administration has made it clear to the American people they're not interested in making your life easier or making your life more affordable. They want to make it more difficult. They want more of your money, and they don't care if it's a huge headache for families across the country. More taxes, more agents, more bureaucracy, that doesn't fix our national debt. In this debt fight that we're in right now, the Biden White House has told the GOP that they're not interested in any cuts whatsoever. They only want to raise the debt limit, and they're interested in raising taxes. And if we're not interested in those two things, then they don't want to have a conversation. Washington, D.C. has a spending problem. Everybody knows that. When you've got more taxes, agents, and bureaucracy, you've got less money in your pocket and less freedom in your life. No one looks forward to tax day. But thanks to Biden's big government money grab, it's even worse than usual. Hey everyone, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please click like and subscribe. I will be back on YouTube with more exclusive content, so stay tuned.